Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be having a look at the most recent news in the Ethereum ecosystem. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and remember nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research. So, the first big bit of news in the Ethereum ecosystem that happened at the end of last month is Ethereum's daily active addresses surpassed Bitcoin's daily active addresses for the first time in crypto history. That means people were moving around more on Ethereum or buying more Ethereum, more so than Bitcoin in one day, which is a big milestone. And of course, Bitcoin still has over 2x the market capitalization of Ethereum. However, we do know there's not much to do on Bitcoin and not many people use Bitcoin as money right now. And as a result, Bitcoin active addresses are not that high. On the contrary, there's heaps to do in the Ethereum ecosystem and people are using Ether the entire time, which is why Ethereum has flipped Bitcoin in this metric. It does look like Ethereum is flipping Bitcoin in almost every single metric. Ethereum continues to flip Bitcoin in basically every metric. Ethereum settles more value than Bitcoin by a factor of 10, and Ethereum continues to do more and more. So it is good to see that Ethereum is beating Bitcoin in this metric. As we can see, Ethereum active addresses shot up to 649,000, while Bitcoin active addresses stayed at 580,000, a very big milestone. The next big bit of news is a bank called Signum, and I probably pronounced that wrong. However, this bank is the first bank in the world to offer Ethereum 2.0 staking. So this bank essentially offers staking services for Ethereum 2.0. And they've said, quote, "With Ethereum powering the exponential growth of decentralized finance applications, staking is a compelling choice for long-term Ethereum investors also seeking attractive yields." So this bank is actually offering staking services to its clients. This is really big as it shows a lot of these traditional and legacy financial services are starting to integrate more and more with cryptocurrency. We know a lot of banks hold cryptocurrency and accept crypto, but to see banks getting into decentralized finance, staking, and yield farming, this is very, very big news. Of course, Ethereum has DeFi applications, decentralized finance applications built on top of it. And for DeFi to really get big and take the massive next leg up, it needs to be integrated within a lot of big banks and it needs to get a lot more adoption and integration. So it's great to see a lot of banks are actually spearheading this integration and they're taking in DeFi and taking on board DeFi. I expect this to continue into the future where a lot of big banks are actually going to be staking their crypto to earn very good yields and yields that are actually a lot better than traditional financial services can offer. Those are all the new updates within the Ethereum ecosystem, and these are some pretty big updates that help the long-term fundamentals of Ethereum, and I really do think that this makes me a lot more bullish on Ethereum, and there's just a constant inflow of new updates surrounding the Ethereum ecosystem that continue to get better and better. As we can see on CoinMarketCap, Ethereum is at its number 2 spot, which it's always been at, with a market capitalization of $250 billion. So even with this drop from around $4,400 to $2,163, Ethereum is a very high market cap. It's at $250 billion, and this does show a lot of money has stayed in Ethereum, and a lot of people really do believe in Ethereum. So this does look very good for Ethereum right now, and I am sure Ethereum will get back up to its old all-time highs and old market capitalizations, but it's good to see it just hanging around this high level. As we can see, Ethereum is just sitting on top of its bull market support band, whereas something like Bitcoin is actually trading well below its bull market support band. This means it's a lot more likely that the people watching this video have made money on Ethereum than made money on Bitcoin. This is because Bitcoin's price is essentially the same as it was at the beginning of the year, whereas Ethereum's price is still a substantial amount away from where it was at the beginning of the year. We can see that Ethereum's price is up somewhere by 3 or 4x from the beginning of the year, which is a pretty good gain. From top to bottom, 300%, whereas now it's up about 100% from the beginning of the year. So Ethereum continues to do very well, and this is very, very good. I do think Ethereum is going to have a bit more sideways trading and get a big rally by the end of the year or the beginning of next year. I do think another big rally is coming for Ethereum, and there are a couple of reasons for this. One big reason for this is the EIP 1559 testnet has gone live already, and EIP 1559 is about to come out. What EIP 1559 does is it takes a portion of a transaction fee in every Ethereum transaction and it burns that Ethereum. As a result of burning that Ethereum, it means there is less supply of Ethereum, and this should mean the demand of Ethereum will go up. Now, while Ethereum is a proof of work cryptocurrency, there will still be more supply than there won't be. So the supply will still be greater than not, and Ethereum won't be deflationary. It will just lower the supply. However, when Ethereum transitions to a proof of stake blockchain, there will actually be less and less Ethereum being created for a certain period of time. The supply will be restricted and millions of Ethereum will be burned. This should help the existing holders and it should boost Ethereum's price. This is one of the reasons why I don't think the bull market is over. Also, Ethereum 2.0 is about to come out in the following few years, and Ethereum 2.0 is going to make Ethereum a lot more usable for your everyday users, and this should help Ethereum's growing use case, number of active addresses, and the adoption of the Ethereum ecosystem as a whole. So overall, I am very bullish on Ethereum 2.0, and I am hoping everything goes very smoothly to help Ethereum recommence its bull market. I really don't think everything that could be done with Ethereum has been done. Of course, Ethereum has 20, 30, 40, 50 years of development still to go to come into its final form and really take over the world. However, I still do believe right now there's a lot more adoption that could happen for the Ethereum ecosystem. If we even look at something like decentralized applications, there's a lot of decentralized finance created on the Ethereum network. However, there's not too many applications that don't pertain to finance. There's one new big game on the Ethereum network called Axie Infinity, and there is a decentralized Uber network and a decentralized Airbnb network on the Ethereum blockchain. So there are heaps of applications on Ethereum right now, however they're not yet to be too big. The video game Axie Infinity is becoming very, very large and is having millions of users, however there's still yet for a lot of applications to take off. Essentially, you can build anything on the Ethereum blockchain, you can build any website, you can launch any company off it, and any application can actually be built. So I do think over the next couple of years, a lot more decentralized applications will be built on Ethereum, and this will be very, very bullish for its future. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to comment anything below, please do so. Thanks for watching the video.